Hey folks, back with another quick video. I'm out here at the property looking for a good spot to put my goats. So more than likely I'm going to put them up in this area. Probably going to have the corner of their pen right there on the back side of that trail. Probably going attaching to the hog cage right there. I'm going to flip you guys around. So yeah, I have it attached to the corner of the hog pen right there, coming down to about that corner right there, going back, probably not too far back, but I'm gonna try to give them good enough space they can roam around in here. I'm gonna go with some mini goats, so I'm probably gonna put maybe 4 or 5 in this area. So I'm gonna come in here and just start knocking down all of these smaller trees and stuff, maybe even some of those big pine trees. I want to keep this big sucker right here. I'm just only concerned that we all know goats love to climb, so I'm just wondering if they'll try to climb up there and possibly be able to jump out the gate. I don't think so. I have some of my apple trees here going in a line right here. I'm gonna put more going down to that corner right there. So the gate will probably be maybe about 4 foot off from the apple trees. I'm not gonna walk too far up in there, but I'm trying to show you guys where I'll probably stop it at. I don't know if you can see, but there's some more oak trees back right there. I'll probably stop it back there. Like I said, I have to check and see. But I know I can come in here, knock down this underbrush, and I'll go ahead and start knocking down some of these pine trees and stuff too. Get a rake attachment for a tractor and start raking up all these pine needles too. I'm contemplating on whether or not I should go ahead and just buy my own tractor. In all honesty, I've been looking at a few for some years now anyway, so that's probably what I do. But we'll see what God has in store. Regardless, everything's still gonna keep pushing forward, gonna keep going. But this is definitely an old toilet right there. But definitely, I think this would be a nice area for the goats to roam and enjoy. I don't want nothing too big, but at least a nice enough area for some mini goats for me to come in here, plant pasture all on here for them to eat. And of course, the cows are gonna have the biggest pen, which is gonna go all on that side, on the other side of the hog cage, going back to behind the goat cage too. So that'll be it for now, folks. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and mark some stuff out and call it a day. So everybody be safe, be blessed, and see you on the next one.